If walking past those synthetic wax melts at the store gives you an instant headache, you're not alone. Most commercial wax cubes are made from petroleum-based paraffin and mystery fragrance that release toxins into your living room. You shouldn't have to tolerate a chemical hangover just to have a beautifully scented home. Welcome back. Today we are creating a beautiful, flame-free alternative to typical store-bought wax melts. Double spiced wax bark. It melts slowly, releasing a long-lasting spicy aroma that perfectly bridges the gap between summer's end and the very first crisp days of autumn. The secret to longevity of these melts is our base. We're combining pure beeswax with solid coconut oil. The beeswax provides a rigid structure, a satisfying snap, and a natural undertone of honey. The solid coconut oil softens the mixture just enough so it releases the aroma quickly in your wax warmer. The scent profile we're using is 30 drops of liquid luck for a sharp, energizing spice kick, 30 drops of pumpkin spice blend for that nostalgic cinnamon and clove sweetness, and then 10 drops of lemon eucalyptus for an incredible, fresh, and clean finish. This process is completely stress-free. First, combine your beeswax and solid coconut oil in a double boiler, heating gently until it's a beautiful crystal clear liquid. Remove it from the heat and let it rest for just a minute so the edges cool slightly. Then add your essential oils and slowly stir for 1 minute to make sure the plant oils bond with the wax. Now pour the liquid directly onto the sheet of parchment paper, tilting the pan so it spreads out thin, about 1/8 of an inch thick. While the wax is still warm and glossy, give it an artisan finish by lightly dusting a pinch of ground cinnamon right over the surface. You can also use dried flower petals here. Let it sit undisturbed for about 30 to 60 minutes. Once it hardens and goes completely matte, simply peel it away from the paper and snap it into these beautiful rustic shards. To store, pop your finished shards into a glass jar or a linen bag to preserve the incredible sweet and spicy aroma. This project is such a great example of how simple it is to ditch commercial chemicals when you have the right tools. With a Simply Earth recipe box, we send you the exact pre-measured beeswax and pure oils and the recipes right to your door. You don't have to source anything from specialty supply shops. It just shows up ready to create. To use, drop 1 to 2 of these pieces into your wax warmer. The warm, comforting autumn aroma will fill the room with the scent that lasts for hours. It smells authentic, rich, and grounding. When you finish creating the wax melts, take a photo and share it in our Facebook group with the hashtag #IMadeThis and tag @FromSimplyEarth. We love seeing your artisan designs, and you'll be entered to win a $100 gift card to Simply Earth. Discover the box with the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.